Problems with the thumbnail, YouTube. Let me tell you one thing, thumbnails are a very important part of your YouTube video as it draws the attention of the people towards your video. It should be very good. It should stand out from the rest. Let's go straight to the important problem which YouTubers face for custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnail, when I tried it, it haunted me a lot because I was not able to upload it. I faced that problem and I don't want you to face that problem. First of all, you have to enable the custom thumbnail on your account by the verification process. By the verification process of your YouTube channel. I hope you would have done that. If not, comment me. I'll upload another video for that. You'll find this kind of problem on your laptop as well. In order to overcome this problem, the best simple procedure is to download YouTube Studio from the Play Store. Let me take you through the process. How can you do that? First of all, you have to go to the Play Store and you have to write YT YouTube Studio. Then you have to install that app. I've already installed it on my phone. After then you have to open the app and now you can see your listed videos would be available there. And what you have to do, you have to click on one of the videos, and if you want to change the thumbnail, here you will find the edit option. You have to press that edit option. You have to press the edit option available, and after then edit again. Now here it's showing me thumbnail, download thumbnail. You can download it. If you want to change it, you can change it here. You have to press the change, and after then it will take you through the process. If you have made another thumbnail, you can upload that as well. So usually that problem occurs. It's not showing in your account. It's not enabled on many YouTubers account, but this problem can be solved when you download that YouTube Studio app from the Google Play Store, and after then you have to access your account through that YouTube Studio app. You would be able to rectify that problem because I have faced that problem as well. I was not able to upload the thumbnails on my YouTube videos, so I thought I would share it with you. If you are facing the same problem, you can do it through YouTube Studio app, which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Another way by which you can do that is through your computer application, but I will try to explain that in the next video. Alright, thank you. I hope this information would help you to upload your thumbnails on your account, and if you like the video, please don't go without subscribing the channel and press the like button as well. Thank you.